Hello! This video is for students who have been accepted into a Humber program and are transferring credits from a recognized institution outside of the province of Ontario. This video is also for students transferring credits from another country. This requires a course-by-course WES or ICAS evaluation. First, visit humber.ca/transfer options. Under Transfer In, select Transfer Credit, then select the Transfer Credit Application tab. When the form loads, download it onto your computer before filling it out. Open the form and begin to fill it out with your information. Please read the form in entirety as it contains important information, including how to submit your transcript or evaluation. On the left side, provide the course code and name of the Humber course you wish to apply for. Please note, you can only apply for courses in your program. On the right side, provide the course code, name, and final grade you received at your previous institution. If you require additional rows for transfer credit, please submit multiple forms with your application. Once you complete the form, scroll down to the bottom to add your signature and date. Typing your name is accepted. Lastly, submit your application forms and all course outlines to transfer options at humber.ca. Thank you for watching our transfer application tutorial. If you have any questions, please email transferoptions@humber.ca.